Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to talk about the types of credit card that you should be getting on JPMorgan Chase account. So if you're wondering what type of credit card you should go ahead and apply for it, then what you can do is you could just go ahead and open up a browser, and on the web address bar type in the link creditcard.chase.com/CELL. That's going to take you to the other field where you can go ahead and read all of the information. So as you can see, there are many types of credit card available, each designated to meet a specific need. Whether you're looking for to upgrade a new travel card or build a credit profile with a starter card, so what you decide will likely be up to whatever best suits your personal interest and requirements. So here you could just go to the link, and then you can categorize it accordingly, read all of the information accordingly, and then apply for the one that you feel it will benefit. So you could go through, explore all of these, and accordingly you could go and press the apply now button and then apply for the credit card. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.